How's it going, everyone? So today's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to show you my basement and my home workout area. So I'm going to show you guys where I work out. Now I'll show you a tour of the basement too. So when we have the stairs, you guys, pretty big set of stairs. You walk down the dungeon and then you have the storage right here. Our Christmas stuff is still here, and then we have all of the storage here. Then we have our electrical panel and stuff. The basement isn't finished, and then we have just basically everything here. Now it is a big basement. If I get rid of the thing, it is a very big basement, you guys. It's unfinished. But anyways, the tarp, the reason why the tarp is still up, the bed sheet, I thought that it would be a good idea to kind of make like a green screen with the tarp, and it just utterly failed, you guys. Like, it completely failed. And I do get a lot of flack from my subscribers, and they will say, man, that tarp looks ugly, it's pointless. And I completely agree. I think it's funny, I think it's ironic. It's a complete fail, but I think it's funny having it in my background. And a lot of people are saying, Dylan, your channel is growing by quite a bit. You're at like 62,000 subscribers and your background looks like this. I think it's kind of funny, to be honest. And in my opinion, it really doesn't matter too much all the fancy editing. I know a lot of people nowadays, their editing is freaking crazy on YouTube, but me, I'm all about the information, you guys. All about that information. I think information is the key for losing weight and for just health problems and everything in general. It's about the information. It's not too much about what kind of video you have or what kind of audio you have. Don't get me wrong, I did upgrade. I got a mic and everything, but it's not as important as just giving the information, giving good information, good research, and giving proper information to the people to actually help them out, you guys. So you got my power rack over here. We got some stereo stuff, my power rack tree, and my lap pull down machine. And this is where I make my YouTube videos, you guys. I got everything over here. And this is where the mats are, just so I can deadlift and stuff. And as you guys can see, a lot of the weights, they are spread out just because I do use them for making videos. I use certain weights for different stuff, and then I do certain exercises. I know they should be in the rack tree. I'm kind of lazy, you guys, so that's why they're kind of spread out right now. But honestly, you guys, I love this basement. It's freaking crazy. It's very big, you guys. Just standing to the corner here, you get like all of this. So it is pretty damn big, in my opinion. I'm really blessed to have this house, you guys. And yeah, it's just it's pretty sweet, you guys. That is how I train. That's how I work out. I got a lot of workout stuff. I got my powerlifting shoes here, and yeah, it's pretty simple. I know a lot of people some of my subscribers will call this the dungeon, and rightfully so, you guys. It's an unfinished basement. It's kind of creepy, and yeah, that's how I train. All you basically need for a home workout, as long as you have a power rack, you can do most of the compound movements. Actually, you can do all of the compound movements. You can squat, bench, deadlift. You can do all of those things. So having a power rack is one of the most important things. And then aside from that, having a good bench, and then just having something to store your weights on, even though I don't store my weights on. And having a lat pull down machine, in my opinion, is very good as well too. So end the video. Hope you guys did enjoy my basement tour, where I make my videos and how I work out, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.